MONA stands for the Metcalf Ocean Nexus Academy. We're known for our fellowship trainings with journalists. We bring journalists to the University of Rhode Island for deep, immersive science training.
The MONA Fellowship is where we can come together as scientists and journalists and find a way to deliver scientific stories that the audiences can digest and understand.
It is a combination and partnership between Metcalf and Ocean Nexus, which is now based here at the University of Rhode Island.
It's an international network of the researchers who devote their research to center social equity as a core of ocean governance, both globally, regionally, and then nationally.
The Uproot Project is a network for and by environmental journalists of color, and our mission is to bring diverse voices to the forefront of environmental reporting. We came together and developed this fellowship where we were able to bring 3 Uproot members who are all working environmental journalists of color to Rhode Island to participate in this fellowship.
I think it's great that Metcalf and Ocean Nexus decided to partner with Uproot to target us and make sure that we also have the same opportunities. I'm just really excited to be here.
This fellowship provides a position to scientists, to experts that can have science conversations in their language, and it can help me understand better their language, their jargon, the words they use. And that was something that I really wanted to improve in myself.
To communicate complex and sensitive conversation and a message for ocean society, we really have to have a good relationship and a trust between those who communicate and those who do the research. They have to be in the same place, and they have to have opportunity to speak freely with trust. Fellowship is the best vehicle to do this.
We need to work very closely if we really want to represent a real change for the people that need it the most, and of course, we want to protect our Earth.
It's a really great opportunity to meet these scientists all around the world who are doing really cool work and try to maybe think of connections between whatever you're looking at locally and the global picture when we're talking about the ocean and the environment and climate change.
I think there's a lot about the oceans that we need to learn about, and I think the Metcalf Ocean Nexus Academy provides a lot of that.
This is an ocean state. This is a place new things should start. If anybody is interested in helping us or being part of this new initiative, are very much welcome. And Ocean Nexus research is global. Why don't we connect?
Journalism is critically underfunded, and especially for young environmental journalists of color who are trying to break out into the beat, having opportunities like the MONA Fellowship are really crucial in their development.
Around the world, communities are facing dire consequences of global warming. I don't just mean human beings. I mean everything on the face of the earth. Plants, animals, the ocean. That is why we're profoundly important right now.